channel. Today I have a Dirty 30 clean with me. I just got home from work. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. But I do work a full-time job, so a lot of times during the week I like to take about 30 minutes and get everything picked up. That way my evening is kind of less chaotic. There's not a lot of clutter and mess, and I can wake up the next morning and I don't feel so bad about it. So it's pretty much the same mess that I have every week, but we're gonna try to tackle it. Today I'm also going to add in the bathroom because that desperately needs to be straightened up. And make sure you follow all the way through the video. I'm gonna do a little something different today, and I'm going to be putting in some trivia questions here and there throughout the video. And I'd love to hear your answers. I like to interact with you guys, and I thought it would kind of just be a fun way for us to get to know each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm working with here, and then we're going to get to cleaning. Okay, guys, you already know I have a yellow lab. His name is Bodie, and he has hair and fur all over the place. There's also dust everywhere, so all of this stuff needs to be wiped down. Of course, I'm going to vacuum like I always do every single day. Also, I have these two pictures that were originally in the kitchen right there, and then at Christmas time I had taken them down to put up that little mural. So I need to hang those back up and get all of this stuff put away. There's the air fryer again. You guys know I absolutely love it. I'm almost using it every single day. I think I need help. But then, like I said, the bathroom I'm going to go ahead and get started on because it is disgusting. I swear the older I get, the more hair that falls out on a daily basis. But we're going to go ahead and get started, and the first question I have for you guys is let me know in the comments below, what state or country are you from? All right, so I am over here rearranging this little Hot Mess Express that you guys know that I love so much over here by the microwave. And it got me thinking, I have a lot of snacks in there, but I would like to know, what is your favorite snack? What's your guilty pleasure? Is it ice cream, cookies, candy, chocolate? I would love to know. Leave me a comment below and tell me what it is.
All right, you guys, I am back with another question for you. I would like to know, are you a night owl or an early bird? Do you like to get your chores done early in the morning, or do you mind staying up late and getting them done after dark? Okay, are you guys still hanging along with me and answering all the questions? The next one is a good one. I know you can kind of tell what I'm getting ready to do. It is my vacuuming. You guys know I have to do this every single day, at least once, if not more than once, because of that beautiful blonde thing right there. And I'm not just talking about myself, but the next question I have for you guys that I want you to answer down below is, how often do you vacuum during the week? Okay guys, I am back and we are all done. Everything is clean. It feels and looks so much better. Actually, I do have one last question for you guys, and it would really help me out a lot. And that is, what kind of video would you like to see next on my channel? Do you like the cleaning videos? Do you like the haul videos, whether it be the grocery hauls or, you know, the Walmart hauls, anything like that? Let me know. I would love to get your input, because I would really like to just put out some content that I enjoy and that you enjoy as well. I really hope that you liked this kind of video, and I hope that you guys enjoy this giveaway. So stay tuned here in just a second after I show you how everything looks, and I will tell you guys exactly what the price is.
Alright guys, so everything is done nice and clean. I apologize, I did not show the time. Usually I will show the time on my phone to let you know how long it took me. I try to do 30 minutes, but I will be honest, this took me a little over 45 minutes, but I was already on a roll and I finished. I thought I would just go ahead and get everything finished. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like. Also, for the trivia questions, if you answered all of the questions in the comments and you like this video, I will be picking a winner for a $10 Starbucks gift card. And if you want extra entries, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family if they like cleaning. And yeah, that's about it. If you follow me on Instagram, that would be great too. If you don't have an Instagram, that's fine. I will pick a winner. Make sure that I have a way to contact you. So if you answered all the questions in the comments below and you watched the video all the way through, I will pick a winner, like I said, for a $10 Starbucks card. I'm so happy to have you guys here in my YouTube family. I always like to give back in some way that I can. And with that being said, I have to tend to Mr. Wani over here. He needs some attention. So I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.